Welcome to day 19. We have a 50-foot lot product by Taylor Morrison in the ranch in Uptown in Celina, Texas. Now this is the Carmine. This is 2777 square feet and it starts at $545. This is that two-story design that everybody wants. Right as you come on through, you've got a guest full bath right here.
And then this
and then
nice
here's
room.
a little room. They have it as set up as a nursery. Just your reasonable, normal closet. Nice little secondary room. Ignore this. This would be your garage. But right off to your right here is your office.
Oh, another good sized office. They're making these offices really nice size.
Well, you know, more and more people are working from home and you have both. So you can have two offices, right, which takes up a lot of space, or a bigger office, and then both can work out of here. All right, so in here, here's your snack closet.
Oh, that's an interesting spot for it. Huh.
And then right over here is your laundry area.
Okay.
Nothing crazy.
Nope, nothing crazy.
But like I said, this is just a really good family layout. Here you are in the kitchen.
Okay, I have a question though.
Okay.
What is, if this is the pantry over here, then what is that right there?
This
Yeah,
is locked, so
that's locked.
it's a mystery, Patrice.
It's a mystery.
You're
That's-
setting me up to fail here.
But that just seems like, I thought that was the pantry, so that's
Well,
interesting.
this is, right?
And that's a pantry. Oh boy. So you have a pantry for Costco and one for HEB.
Yeah.
That's pretty nice.
Or Sam's.
Okay.
Whatever you want.
Okay, I can get on board with that.
That is a great question, though. I wonder what that is.
Would it be
That's
the
probably just a
Coat closet?
Yeah, it's probably something, I don't know, they keep their signs in there or something. Anyway, but here you are with the kitchen. They don't have the drawers here. I'm sure you can get that though.
I do like that buffet little area though behind you.
Yeah, this is great for all the entertaining that you're gonna do with all your friends around here.
Yeah.
Think about this stacked. A lot of people, it's hit or miss. We have some people that love it and some people that don't like it. They don't like that open space. They kind of sectioned off.
Yeah. I don't mind it, but if I was picking, I would definitely probably have more of a dedicated dining.
Yeah.
But I do like the fireplace.
Yeah, the fireplace is nice. It's that cast stone, which is
Yeah.
nice. Corner size, so you've got your TV off right here.
And then look at those windows. Those are beautiful up there.
Yeah, and it's two-story right here,
Yeah.
right? So it's nice and open.
All of a sudden, your ceiling goes way up from the kitchen. That's super nice.
Now, what do you think of the stairway being like this, kind of tucked in?
I like it.
You don't have like open rail. Now, what a lot of our clients like this style with small kids.
It is a little bit safer. But yeah, I don't hate it because it's just kind of, like you said, tucked away.
It's an afterthought. You don't have to worry about it when you need to go use it, right?
Yeah.
Let's go over here. And then here is the primary. You know, it's cozy.
It is.
Even though it's kind of big and oversized, it's still cozy. The ceilings
They're not
are
super
like
high.
9 feet, you know? And so it's just cozy,
Yeah.
yet it doesn't feel like it's coming down on you. And then here is your ensuite. What do you think?
I don't mind the sinks being together. Does not bother me at all.
These things always crack me up, these small things. I guess, you
Yeah.
know, for brushes or whatever.
Curling
but-
irons and straight irons and things like that.
Yeah. Shower is decently sized, just kind of like an oversized regular shower, I'd say. You gotta be on the taller side. Geez Louise. I guess it's not that bad, but.
Yeah, this is a good bathroom though.
And the closet,
Woo!
wow. The closet is about what you would expect in this size home. Like I said, this is 2777 square feet.
Now I'm excited to see the upstairs.
Yeah, and 545, under 550. That is
Yeah, in a great neighborhood.
in Celina. Now, one of the things about the ranch at Uptown is that they're going to connect all the way to downtown Celina, the square, which is about a mile from here.
Yeah, that'll be fantastic.
Yeah.
If you want to ride your bike or whatever.
So right up here is your media room, and it's a really good size. In fact, I wouldn't even put it on this wall. I'd put it on that wall, and so you have,
Yeah, that gives you a lot of space if you do it this way.
or
Right.
put it, you know what? You put it on that wall, and then you have all this turned over so you can, I mean, it's giant.
Yeah, this is great.
So you can put like a projector there, or like I said, nowadays, these TVs are so big and cheap that
They
it's
are.
the way to go.
I like this space right here. This is nice.
This is a good idea. Just a table for the kids to do their homework on and play. They could do.
Play their games or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go check out this room.
Well, this has its own little entrance too. You don't just walk right in. You get a little hallway. That's
Not only
pretty
that,
fancy.
Patrice, it has its own bath. I mean, this is a really good family layout. I know a lot of our clients would be happy with this.
Yes.
Look at this. You got a junk closet.
Big closet. Wow, there's so much storage in this place.
That's where you can put your vacuum and all that stuff. 'Cause that way you don't have to.
And then a 2-door linen up here.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
You've got a full bath right here with 2 sinks. It's
Okay,
got a
so
bathtub. And then that are these rooms right here.
I really am impressed with this.
For under $550,
I know.
Patrice, in Celina.
I know.
So, I mean, we're always out in all these communities. I'm telling you, this is a really good hidden gem. If you like this sort of content, again, follow along on our 90-day journey to bring you as much about North Texas real estate and new construction as possible. We're trying to get to 1,000 subs, so if you haven't subscribed already, definitely hit that subscribe button. It's free and it helps us out tremendously. Give us some encouragement by smashing that like button. Comment below, let us know if this is something that would work out for you, or just say hi, for crying out loud. It just it helps the algorithm spread the word to other people. So any help you could do is much appreciated. Like I said, Patrice and I handle all of our clients personally. So if that is of interest to you and you need some help in the real estate world, we'd love to be your realtors of choice. So hit that dream home form and let's get connected. Let's see how we can help you out. We relocated here 20 years ago ourselves, and have helped hundreds of families do the same. So we know a thing or two about this whole business and how it works and how to make it as smooth a transition as possible. So until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.